Webster and Horsfall was started in 1720 and they moved to site in 1850. The reason they came to Tyseley was because of the good transport networks, and they've been operating here making wire and wire rope ever since. The Tyseley Environmental Enterprise District helped us shape our development strategy. We were releasing land for redevelopment. We knew we couldn't operate within the footprint we had before. We had 306,000 square feet and we needed to reduce the size of the operation as we move away from volume production. So it worked very well when the council announced that the area was designated as an environmental enterprise district, because that then provided a catalyst for us attracting businesses from the green technology sector. The concept of an operator is able to provide us with a direct feed of electricity and heat is ideal for the business model here. Phase 1 is currently under construction. Grid connection's about to come live, and they'll be producing power at the end of the year, which we'll use within the business. When they're operational, that will then open up the second phase of development, which is currently at pre-application planning stage, which is a compressed natural gas refuelling station. We also have a pre-application underway for wind turbines across the back of the site, as well as waste processing and recycling operations.
What we do is we take waste wood and we use that wood to produce power to backfeed energy to the grid. The waste wood in the past would have gone to landfill, so we're saving 70,000 tonnes per annum of wood to landfill, and we're using that wood to generate clean electricity. The plant will save 2 million tonnes of CO2 over 20 years, and the power that we generate will service 14,000 homes.
The concept of the Tyseley Energy Park is that Webster and Horsfall will be a large user of the power generated within the site, but given that we've had interest from other operators who will be producing heat, electricity and power, the idea is that that power will be used locally. So we're going to market future phases on the basis that they will also be able to use this green energy within their operations and hopefully market it towards the wider community as well. The idea behind the development strategy is we'll be able to attract new investment to the area that will not only safeguard the 100 jobs that were within our factory, but also attract further investment that will create additional jobs.
International synergies concentrate on industrial ecology. One of our main areas is something called industrial symbiosis. International synergies have been working very closely with Birmingham over the years. We're actually part of the Green Commission programme. Recently, the council have actually contracted us to look at the Tyseley environmental zone to see what benefits industrial symbiosis can bring to that area. And we've highlighted 3 key areas. Basically, what businesses can do today to improve the way they manage their assets. Also, can we bring new technology and processes in? We've made quite a few recommendations to the city. One example of that is, can the city start reprocessing the waste electronic equipment, which contains lots of valuable metals, and sell those back into the market? Gold is a good example. And then finally, that zone could be an excellent incubation zone to actually help new entrepreneurs, new businesses start moving forward and reprocess some of their wasted opportunities. So as well as seeing substantial cost savings and business benefits, they also see lots of environmental benefits.